Needed a fresh tank of gas. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Like I said in the last video, starting off at the gas pump like always. Yeah, how much are you guys pumping for gas? Fucking putting in $50 and my gas tank wasn't even empty. I know you guys haven't seen much S2K content, but today I'll be making a video on putting back my cold air intake. It comes in the two-piece pipe, so the one that comes off the throttle body and then the bottom one that goes and sits right in front of the front bumper. I'll be putting that one in today. I don't think we're gonna be seeing rain anytime soon. So yeah, let's get this started. So here's my current setup. So this is the only pipe I have on here, just because of water issues and not wanting to have the filter down there. But I'm gonna relocate this, and I actually color matched this pipe to the one that I have on there right now. That one's a little dirty though, so this one pretty much is gonna bring it down somewhere in here to get some cold air. Alright guys, sorry about that. I ran out of time yesterday, but I pretty much got the other pipe installed. Pretty simple. It just connects to this coupler right there, and then the intake ends up sitting like that. That's the bolt that's holding it. So pretty much getting cold air all the time. Everything else is the same. You got this hose right here that connects to that, and then this one right here that connects to that. Pretty simple, nothing changed. So the engine bay is looking a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it up really quick, and then we're gonna go for a drive, show you guys how it sounds like. It does sound a little bit louder. I don't know if it makes the exhaust louder or it's just the engine, but I did notice a difference, so I'll show you guys how it sounds. Let me just give the engine bay a little touch up, because I usually try to keep it somewhat clean. It is the daily. There's a bunch of dirt and stuff all over, but a little wipe down doesn't hurt. Show you guys how the car sounds with a cold air intake. It definitely sounds a lot louder with that second pipe. Having that front filter right behind the front bumper, getting fresh air. It's just good stuff, guys. Just gotta be careful with the rain. We don't have rain here in California that often, so not a single cloud in the sky. I know you guys like the super view. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive the car and show you guys how it sounds like with the cold air intake. It did make it a lot louder than just having that first pipe and having the air filter sitting inside the engine bay. There's something about having that second pipe and having the air filter sitting right behind the front bumper, getting some fresh air, more power for sure. the crossover to VTEC sounds so much better. It sounds loud. That thing sounds so good, guys. Oh shit. You guys gotta remember, I also have silencers on my exhaust. So without those things, this thing would be freaking screaming. Let me give you guys another little rip. Oh, there it is. This thing sounds insane. So yeah, it gets pretty hot in here, and having the air filter sit outside the engine bay really helps this car. I can tell big time. It's super hot right here. Like anything here in the engine bay is freaking fire right now. And of course I had to put a little Shoes Garage sticker on the intake, but overall, yeah, it looks pretty clean. So I'm gonna have to make like a little shield for the filter because it drips water from right here, and of course the tire. Don't want water splashing onto the filter. So I'm gonna have to come up with a plan. Probably make like a little stock air box or something to hold the water to going into the filter, but it shouldn't be too hard.
No me.
Yep.
No.
You're in the video.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Are you ready to go in the car? Here we go. Are you ready to go in the car?
I'm ready to go in the car. Please get a 3-piece chicken combo.
You want that original or crispy?
Crispy, please.
Here's the order of the popcorn chicken, the salty crispy with coleslaw, corn, mashed potatoes, and gravy, and the 3-piece crispy with coleslaw and Dr. Pepper.
Yes.
Your total bill.
Thank you.
Cool, man. Thank you. Well, that is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty difficult to do anything nowadays just with the baby at home and everything getting so expensive, but yeah, let me know what else you guys would like to see in the videos. I'll probably do some like product reviews. Might even start my own little side hustle for you guys who want to get like your carbon fiber re-sprayed, or you guys need a bumper that's painted, it needs to be repainted or something. Hit me up on my Instagram. Right now I'm heading to work, and hope you guys have a good night. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.